If you use Android, turn these off now. 7 settings put your privacy and money at risk. Install unknown apps. Disable installs from unknown sources. Outside apps often carry malware. USB debugging. Turn it off unless you know what you're doing. It gives deep access to your phone. Developer options and OEM unlock. Leave them off. These let attackers bypass security. Accessibility permissions for unknown apps. Revoke them now. They can control your device silently. Quick pause. These are easy to fix in settings. Keep watching. Location always on. Set location to off or app only to stop constant tracking. Bluetooth visibility. Make your phone non-discoverable to avoid nearby snooping. Auto join open Wi-Fi. Disable automatic connects. Rogue hotspots steal data. Recap. Unknown apps, USB debugging, developer options, accessibility, location, Bluetooth, auto join, Wi-Fi. Turn them off. Need a walkthrough? Open settings, search each name, and toggle off now. Secure your phone today. Like and follow for more quick security tips.